Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the latest smartwatch from ITEL, the ITEL Smartwatch Fit O20. And on this video, we are going to continue our unboxing. We are going to check its menus and features. We'll check it one by one and see if what are the additional features that is included in the Smartwatch Fit O20. If you are interested in getting the new smartwatch from ITEL, watch this video first, and if you have any questions, drop a comment below. If you are not subscribed, subscribe now to the Smartwatch Specifications YouTube channel. Again, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and explore the offered menus and features in our ITEL Smartwatch Fit O20. So before we check on the menus and features, here's the design of the Smartwatch Fit O20. Sporty looking smartwatch with a uni-body frame. So this is plastic, I think. Okay, we'll check it later on the specifications. Okay, so we have a rotary button here. As you can see, you can use this one to change the watch face as well as the menus. Scroll on the menus. On top we have the settings here for the wearable and other options. We have here the screen brightness display. On the other side we have the menus. On the bottom part we have the notifications. And on the right side we have the cards, or what we call the widgets. Okay, you can add your own widgets also. Okay, again, to access the main menu, you can either press the power button or just swipe from left to right. So here are the details on the menus and features. So we have activity tracking, we have the sleep monitoring, we have the heart rate monitor, phone call, this is the Bluetooth call, exercise, sports functions, exercise records, we have the blood oxygen monitoring, stress monitoring, weather report, messages, remote shutter control, music player, relaxation, we have AI voice, timer, and alarm. We also have here stopwatch, find phone, calculator, games, and settings. Let me show you the heart rate monitor. Okay, we have the sleep monitoring, activity tracking. It monitors the steps, calories, and exercise minutes, the time. We have a distance here. I don't see any distance. We have a 7-day record for the automatic activity tracking. For the exercise, we do have the list of sports functions. Okay, so I guess it has more than 100 sports functions available here in the ITEL Smartwatch Fit O20. Okay, we'll have a different video review for its sports functions. On the settings, let's check out the details here. We have a calculator, the games. How many games do we have? We only have one. Only one game is available. Settings, we have the display. This includes the brightness, the sleep or screen timer. We have the watch face section, menu view. So we have several options here. What we have is the list view. Then for the settings, we have the display, wrist raised, so it is activated here. Wrist drop, okay, we also have it here. Do not disturb mode, low power mode. We have a passcode, drain, okay, this is for the waterproof protection. We have the system, start, power off, and reset. We also have the about section, version OSW ISW 020, so 0 or 020 1.12. Okay, we have the QR code for the app, and of course we have the system here. Again, start, power off, and reset. So that's it for the features of our, we also have here a flashlight. The features of our ITEL Smartwatch Fit 020. Again, I'm going to use the rotary button here. Okay, so here are the details on the different sports functions, or the different menus, I mean, and features. Again, for the sports functions, we'll have a separate video for that. Okay, we will check the sports one by one. Here are the list of watch faces. Okay, so that's it for our unboxing review of the menus and features of the ITEL Smartwatch Fit 020. Okay, again, if you have any questions regarding the wearable, drop a comment below, and of course, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.